Here's a little quick one for you. I get this all the time with the Salisbury axles and the sump plug, and not the filler plug. It can actually drop inside your casing. It's not good. So what I do, I simply get a pipe fitting, open the hole out to the same level, and I'm going to weld that in. You know, I get it in the right place and give it a bit of a tippity tap round. Weld it round. This was a galvanised fitting, so I've taken all the galvanised off it. But I'm going to weld it round, and it should be okay. So that's the next step. Give it a weld. So there we go, all welded up. I had to stop and start to turn it round, but just to make sure, I welded it on the inside too, so that's not going to come out in a hurry. I would like to have got a better weld on it, but I think it's going to be nice. And of course now you can put your bung back in, and there's no chance of losing that bung again, which is good. And you can really reef on that now. I've noticed it says past leak test here. I wonder if that means it was leaking or it wasn't leaking. Well, you never know with Land Rovers, do you? Talk to you later.